PS4 disk drive, fix not recognizing disks. Is your PS4 refusing to read your favorite games? You put the disk in, but nothing happens. There is nothing more frustrating than seeing that unrecognized disk error when you are excited to play a new game. But do not worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home today after watching this simple guide. If you face any difficulty during these steps, please comment below. I will personally reply within 1 hour to help you. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel Tech Vibes. We help you fix your tech daily. First, check the disk itself. Even tiny fingerprints or dust can cause big problems for the laser. Use a soft, lint-free cloth. Wipe gently from the center outwards in straight lines. Never wipe in circles. Next, try a full power cycle. Turn off your console completely until all the status lights are off. Unplug the power cord for 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in and restart your system normally. Sometimes the angle matters. Try placing your console vertically or horizontally to help the drive mechanism. Changing the physical position can help the laser lens align better with the game disk surface. If that fails, we need to enter safe mode. Turn off the PS4 console completely again. Hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via a USB cable. Select option 5, Rebuild Database. This fixes system file errors without deleting any of your saved games. Also, ensure your system is updated. Go to Settings, then System, then select System Software Update. A gentle tap on the top of the console near the disk drive can sometimes help the lens. Be very careful. Just a light tap while the disk is trying to load in the drive is enough. If a disk is stuck, use the manual eject screw located under the console cover or side. Remove the top cover and locate the small screw near the side of the disk drive housing. Turn it counterclockwise to release the disk manually. This can often reset the drive mechanism. For advanced users, cleaning the intake rollers with a bit of alcohol might be necessary if they are slipping. If none of these work, the laser lens inside might be dirty or failing due to age and heat. You can try using a specialized disk lens cleaner to clear any dust from the internal lens. Most of these practical and verified fixes solve the unrecognized disk error instantly for the majority of users. Remember, patience is key when troubleshooting hardware issues at home. Take your time and follow each step carefully. You have got this. Your console will be back in action in no time, and you can get back to gaming. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Good luck with your repair. We will see you in the next troubleshooting video.